Hello, I'm Ezekiel, and this is the Hoja Demo for the internet, especially for John, who asked me to share with him a demo. Right, so I'm going to share the screen. There we go. All right, so this is the administrative panel. This is already online at hoja.r. Well, the panel is behind some logins, and you won't be able to access. So these are the sites that are already there here. As you can see, every site has, you can select the domain name. This is configured by, the app configuration, needs a redeployment for this. And then you can pick a subdomain name. So let's say I want to make a new website. I click on add. And well, it appears here because it's sorted alphabetically, but fix that. New website for the internet. These names are for the administration panel only. The websites have a configuration, and we can change new website. So this is on hoja.r. Then we have mdp.hoja.r. MDP is my local city. Then Hoja Web XYZ, which is another domain that I have. This is the domain from Vercel. So I can pick any of these domains, and these are top-level domains, and these are domains with subdomains. So right now we're gonna just have new website.hoja.r. We can click here to set an access key. We're gonna do hello internet. Okay, saves the access key. I'm gonna save this. And now we're gonna open the editor by clicking this button. The editor is another section of the app. And on the editor, we can set a favicon icon with emojis. And we can set internet website. We can set the title. And this is the demo website for YouTube. And then we can change the color of the site with this widget that I made. The intensity of the color, so more desaturated, more saturated. And then there is this background pattern. So this, I don't know if with the quality you can see, but there is this subtle pattern on the background. So this is completely pattern, and this is no pattern at all, and you can disable it. Which, well, I realize it's not working on, but you can just put it on the bottom. Okay, so you can add pages. So let's say one page, another page. Right now, there is two places for pages, either navigation and this other. If you put them on navigation, the pages, if you put more than one, the pages are gonna appear here. And with pages, you can also select emojis. So you can put this emoji, and you can put something like a cute animal. This one. All right. So, and then there's other pages that won't appear on the navigation. Thinking about adding some drop-down selector here, so we can add pages from here rather from here. Anyway, I'm not gonna talk about what I think. We'll just show what is working right now. So this is another page. If you visit this page, you're gonna be able to access it, but it's not gonna appear on the navigation. So the pages right now, everything you can add is either text or images. So let's say I want a text. It's using Markdown. Hello there. This is a text for Hoja R. .r. So this is Markdown text. You can see there is like this is a Markdown editor, and you can click here to preview how it looks. I left this because select it for step purposes. But it's all themed with the color that we selected, right? So even the controls and everything. And you can add other texts. Right now, it doesn't work exactly like Notion because text is fully marked down, and say you can add another text here, and then you can move it, right, between one and the other. It's sluggish because I'm recording the screen, but it's usually closed there. And there's the menu. The only option is to delete. And then you can add images. You can select a file here, and let's say I select this file of the Earth. There you go. And with the image, you can make them 100% width, a little bigger, then a half. What there? This is just all these are components that are part of the configuration. You can add or remove. So the idea is to keep adding different components for the page's content. So you can well, it's pretty straightforward now with the system in place to add more components to the system, more elements. Earth. It's for home. So then, in the other page, we can add, hello, this is another page. All right, so let's just end it. We're gonna hit save. All this is only in Spanish because I'm sharing with the local local network, and the reason I built it, well, not the reason, but the vision I have with this is so I can offer it as a product to people locally and start to create a sort of local network of, okay, let's see publish, sort of network of interconnected websites and create a sort of app that's made of many websites. So let's say we have we have a regional website that's Mar del Plata, which is the city I'm in right now. And then we have a website for each neighborhood. And then the people in the neighborhood can, start to add content to this website. And, okay, so this is the fairs, there is the businesses, the community centers, and the activities that you can do on the neighborhoods. And so each sort of part of Hoja will be autonomous in their content and their so what I imagine is sort of something like Notion, but it's like the same Notion for everyone, and we all build it together, something like this. And there is some customization options for theming, and for we can also do this. Choose a file here. I'm just gonna add the same image. So we can add an image that appears here. This I did it because of the start of our website that do have like a square image here. So we hit save, and we hit publish again, and we can copy this. This editor can already be closed, and you're gonna add the thing, and here it is. It's the website we just created, and yeah. So maybe in another video, I'm gonna talk more about what's the vision. Maybe this is a better format will be to talk with someone else. So because with the conversation dynamic, it flows better. I like questions arise that I just, if I talk to you about this now, I'm just gonna go, and it's gonna be unintelligible, I think. Okay, so bye. Thanks for listening and watching. I'm gonna keep sharing this. Next, I'm gonna do one in Spanish because I haven't done one yet. Well, I actually did for the mobile. It's the previous video. Anyway, bye bye.